Okay, so Riverland is just such a great example of what not just Minnesota needs, but America needs right now, which is training students and giving them a fine education, but also with this learn and earn program, knowing that they're going to come out of there with a great paying job, sometimes within a year, sometimes 2 years, sometimes just a few months. And we're really excited as we know our workforce shortages exist in everything from healthcare to trucking to manufacturing, and these are a lot of the focuses of Riverland right now. And the fact that you've got your own houses that you've built, your own trucks, just goes to show that the brand is very good and that the work is really great. So I'm excited about this, and I've come back here every few years, and it's one of the reasons that we put in, out of thousands of grants that we get requests from Minnesota, that this was one of the winners. It was a winner because the program's a winner, and we were able to make the case to the Senate and the House that this was the thing to do. And so we're excited the money's being put to such good use.